what an adventure! We'll find an adventure! Reef Town rocks!
I like you.
I'm an expert on Reef Town.
Nothing like a good old mud puddle. I like everything gloppy and goopy.
Hi there! Woo! Yeah! I could play in the sand all day.
Woohoo! You've come to the right person. You know it. We got this. Show me what you got. Sweet. Come on, let's play. MC Lou's got you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm ready. Okay. Hey, Stu.
Word girl!
Word up! Crazy stuff going on here, blowing my mind.
I'm Zeke, and this is my stuffy snout.
I'm Sadie.
Let's work it out.
Thinking positions.
Time to fix this problem. Break, break, break it down.
How do we fix this?
We love solving big problems.
Hey everyone, Malik here.
I love that idea.
We worked it out.
Let's check our steps. Let's make a plan.
Best idea ever.
I can do hard things.
We're an elite team of agents.
Omar's House of Friendship.
I got a souvenir.
I was a library and museum person.
I am Orla. Well, what are you waiting for? Go!
I'm still scared, but this is great.
There you four are. Something very odd has happened.
Halt! Who wants to go first? I do!
Sparks, crew to the rescue!
That was a snap!
Sparks crew to the rescue!
Let's observe.
Let's go!
Bubble up!
Sky's the limit!
Welcome to Hero Elementary.
Sparks crew to the rescue!
I've got a gadget for that.
Let's observe!
Let's use our superpowers of science.
We did it!
Let's do our best!
Let's use our superpowers of science!
Yatta!
Tally-ho!
So sweet!
Onward and onward!
Count the mouse in. Oh, baby, I'm in.
Titty! Titty! Fabulodocious. I don't think that's a word.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
Identity confirmed.
Kids like you can change the world. We need to go back in time and meet a hero from history.
I am Brad. Doesn't matter where or when we are, I'm always allergic to cats. Ooh, butterflies. Now there's something I love.
Ready for an adventure? Cool fact. We travel back in time from the secret museum.
Thanks for joining our awesome adventure.
I am Xavier.
Danger is not my middle name. It's Scott. Dr. Zoom loves plants, especially lettuce, grass, and spinach. This is Dr. Zoom. I am Yadina. Let's start the show. Our friend Brad is kind of really allergic to cats.
Let's play some games. Let's go!
I'm glad you came. Hi.
Woof! Huzzah!
Whippa! Look. Hola, I'm Junior. Excuse me, I have a question.
Whoa!
Let's go!
Hola, I'm Papi.
Whippa! Break it down. Hola, I'm Mommy.
Así es.
Hola, I'm Alma. I know what to do. I gotta think about this. This is way exciting. Hola, mi gente. Sounds like a mystery. I like that word. I meant to do that, I just love exploring. We need more observations.
That's so awesome! Who knows what we'll find?
I think I read something about that in my nature book. I'm gonna write this down. I have a question.
I could use a snack.
I love nature.
That is so cool!
That is so interesting. I love to ask questions. It's my abuela. Meow. Mira, that's my big sister Crystal. Hola, Papa. Ahí está. There you are, gatita. I gotta know. Mira, it's my tia. Well, that's new information. Rosie's roll. Hi, Iggy. Hola, Javi. Orale, it's my mom.
Let's go dog sledding. Masi Cho, thank you.
I love the Northern Lights. Anabasi, thanks.
Hey, it's me, Molly. Oyanna, thank you.
Trini from Texas here.
Let's snowshoe. Hi, I'm Tui. Welcome to Kaya. Here, Luca. Gwynzy. Cool.
Let's play Trini Ball.
Woo!
Who's eating my cabbage?
Yes! All right!
Yay!
Cowabunga!
Wow!
Oh boy!
Woohoo!
Wahoo!
Ew!
Fabulous!
Aha! Meow meow. Hoo-hoo! Ta-da! Hi! Ugga mugga. Neato! Hi, neighbor! Woohoo! Hi, neighbor. Terrific! Boop-she boop! Nifty go lifty! Hi, meow meow! Royally super! Hello again, Toots. A royal hello! Let's play a game. Hiya, neighbor. Tiger-tastic!
Check it out!
That's the hacker to you.
Hey, never fear. The Didge is here.
That is totally awesome! For motherboard!
Rock and roll!
1, 2, oh 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sweet! You rock!
Totally! Hola!
It sure looks fun. Hi, I'm Luna.
Okay, here goes.
Surprise!
Everything's in color.
Listen to the rhythm.
Oh man, this is gonna be awesome!
Come on, team.
I've got a dance. There's always tomorrow.
Luna!
What's a country? Who goes there?
Cool! Yahoo! We're flying to the moon!
Where are we today, Magic Globe? Let's go.
Sourdough!
Ta-da! Diddly-da!
Let's go.
Wow! Amazing!
Come explore the world with me.
We're explorers.
Moonwalks are so different from Earth walks. We're exploring how deep down we can go.
It's deep, deep, deep. Isn't walking on the moon big bouncy fun?
It's so beautiful.
Sean here. That looks like fun.
Excelsior! Jet propulsion.
Sydney here. To do it tomorrow, you have to imagine it today.
It's me, Mindy.
Let's do it!
Super cool.
Ta-da! Wow!
I'm gonna be an astronaut when I grow up.
A kid's place is exploring space.
Awesome!
Hi, Jet.
Terrific! Incredible! That's amazing! Anything is possible. Oh, yeah! Pink imagine it! Pink amazing! Pinkerific! Let's do this! Pink, pink, hooray!
Wow! You are an artist.
Scribbles and ink. I'm in the mood for adventure.
Yes!
That seems like fun. I'm Pogo. I'm a sea monster.
Pogo?
Sounds like Pogo has an idea.
Let's all take a deep breath to calm down. I'm her brother Ben.
That's just what it needed.
Pogo, why would you need an anchor?
Yes!
My name is Jelly. Let's make it super duper
for Pogo!
Super Y with the power to read. Hi, Super U. Presto! Woofty-doo! Princess Presto to the rescue.
That tickles.
Hi, Super U. Super Y to the rescue. Princess Presto with spelling power. Pop-tastic!
Alpha Pig to the rescue.
Woofster! Woof, woof! Wonderific! Wonder Red with word power! Wonder Red to the rescue!
Alpha Pig with alphabet power!
I've got a plan. Hi there, I'm Tasha. I'm getting so much done today. Hamster huddle!
¡Qué increíble!
Hi, I'm Sadie.
Let's roll! Hey, it's Mateo here. Want some autographs?
I love to paint. Team Hamster!
You can do this!
Activate cheetah power.
Activate raccoon power.
Blowfish power.
Activate harpy eagle power. Activate moose power.
Activate bison power. Activate seahorse power. Activate hummingbird power.
Activate walrus power.
Activate osprey power.
Deactivate. Activate rhino power.
Deactivate.
Awesome!
Amazing!
Woohoo!
Cool!
Where should we go today?
Tiny, when I grow up, I'm gonna be a conductor on the dinosaur train. All aboard!
Ta-da!
All aboard!
Let's play a game.
Hey, Duck here.
Hi, I'm Purple Panda.
Yeah.
Hee-haw! I'm Donkey Hody.
Arrgh. Ayo!
Hee-hawesome!
Hi, I'm Bob Dog. Bow wow!
English. New game. Español.